Hello, I'm coming to you from somewhere in Hattiesburg. This is a nature trail. I have walked this road back and forth. This is a full-blown nature trail. You can walk down these trails on the side. Use at your own risk. I haven't had any problems other than I saw a snake, but that was right by the water. I've come all the way down from that road right there, and I am currently going to the end of that road there. It's a good little nature trail. If you want to get away, you can find these little things on Google. I actually found them on a cruising spot site. Haven't met anybody out here yet, but other than passerbyers. But you are definitely in the sticks out here. I have minimum cell phone service, which I guess that's good. Trees fall in here. Wow. Must have had weather issues. But there again, you're out in no man's land. Just one of the things that I've done for myself here in Mississippi that I wasn't able to get at home in Florida. But I'm adding this to my diary. Simple little things, you know, that just keep life good, I guess. Anyway. Make it a great day. Bye-bye.